Hey, Sylvie. 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 Hmm? Oh, don't get startled. I know. What's the noise that you make, Sylves? When you're falling asleep? Or when you're sleeping? Hmm? You make a noise, baby. What's that noise? Can you do it again while I'm recording? That one. Yeah, do that again. Do that again. Can you do it again? Can we show the doctor? Oh. Yeah. Can you do it one more time? Come on, Sylves. Let's see if I can record the audio when you do it. Sylvie. Can you do it again, baby? Yeah, that one.